Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In today's edition, we want to talk about direction and time in the Luo language. Now, Sani, Sani, Sani. Right now, Sani, 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 Sani. Later, Bange, Bange, Bange. Later. Yesterday, Nyoro, Nyoro, Nyoro. Day before yesterday, Nyocha, Nyocha, Nyocha. Today, Kawuono, Kawuono, Kawuono. Tomorrow, Kiny, Kiny, Kiny. Day after tomorrow, Orucha, Orucha, Orucha. So I want to go through the list again. Sani, 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 Sani. Bange, Bange. Nyoro, Nyoro. Nyocha, Nyocha. Kawuono, Kawuono. Kiny, Kiny. Orucha, Orucha. Then now let's look at information about time again. You can say right now can be sechege, sechege. Later can be seche mabiro, seche mabiro. Slowly, kidem, kidem. Or kidam, kidam. Kidem, kidem. Or kidam, kidam. Morning, okinyi, okinyi. Now, you can also say gokinyi, gokinyi. Afternoon, odiochieng, odiochieng, odiochieng. Godiochieng, godiochieng. Now, midday, onyango, onyango, gonyango. Evening, odhiambo, odhiambo, godhiambo. At night, otieno, otieno, gotieno. Midnight, dier oduor, dier oduor, dier oduor. Then on speed, very quickly is piyo ahinya, piyo ahinya. Quickly is piyo, piyo. Very slowly is mos, 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 mos. And slowly is mos. Good. The time of day. Morning, okinyi, okinyi. Afternoon, odiochieng, odiochieng. Odhiambo, evening, odhiambo, odhiambo. Night, otieno, otieno. It's a clock. Mano en sa. Mano en sa. What time is it? Sani en sa adi. Sani en sa adi. You can also shorten it and say en sa adi. Very early in the morning. Kokugwen. Kokugwen. Kogwen. Kogwen. Midnight. Dierotieno. Dierotieno. Exactly 3 p.m. Sa anga achiel. Sa onga achiel. Sa ochiko e wange. or sa ochiko e wang'e ma odiochieng'. Sa onga achiel or sa ochiko wang'e ma odiochieng'. Now let's look at compass directions. East, ugwe. West, yimbo. North, nyandwat. South, milambo. Masawa, central. Central, masawa. Ugwe, yimbo, nyandwat, milambo, masawa. Yor ugwe, eastwards. Yor yimbo, westwards. Yor milambo, southwards. Yor nyandwat, northwards. Ugwe, yimbo, nyandwat, milambo, masawa. Yor ugwe, yor yimbo, yor milambo, yor nyandwat. And that is the end. Please consider subscribing to this channel as we shall be providing more videos. Bye-bye.